Yoga has become an increasingly popular form of exercise and relaxation over the years, with millions worldwide incorporating it into daily routines. But what about this ancient practice makes it so good for you? In this blog post, we'll delve into the numerous health benefits of yoga, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving flexibility and strength. We'll also explore how yoga can benefit your mental health, immune system, and even your sleep patterns. This video will give you an in-depth understanding of why yoga is such a powerful tool for achieving overall wellness and balance in your life. So, let's get started and discover how yoga can help you feel better inside and out. Here are some benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the many benefits of yoga is that it can assist with reducing stress and anxiety. Practicing yoga has been shown to help lower your cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress, and promote increased levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate anxiety. Practicing yoga consistently improves your overall mood and makes you feel more relaxed and centered. Improves flexibility and strength. Yoga is also a great form of exercise for improving flexibility and strength. Many yoga poses require stretching and holding your body in different positions, which can increase your flexibility over time. Practicing yoga can also help you build muscle strength and balance. Boosts immune system function. Yoga has been shown to have a positive effect on the immune system. Practicing yoga can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to numerous chronic health conditions. Additionally, yoga can help improve circulation, which can help distribute immune cells throughout the body more effectively. Promotes better sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, practicing yoga can help. Yoga has been shown to improve sleep quality and increase total sleep time. Additionally, it can help reduce the symptoms of insomnia and other sleep disorders. Mental health. Yoga is also good for your mental health. Practicing yoga can aid in reducing the symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve your overall mood, and increase feelings of well-being. Additionally, yoga can help improve your focus and concentration, making it an excellent practice for those who struggle with ADHD or other attention disorders. Helps with chronic pain. If you suffer from chronic pain, yoga can help. Practicing yoga can help reduce pain and improve mobility in people with arthritis, fibromyalgia, and back pain. Additionally, yoga can help improve your overall physical and mental well-being, making it an excellent complementary therapy for chronic pain management. In conclusion, yoga is an excellent form of exercise that offers numerous benefits for both your physical and mental health. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving flexibility and strength, yoga is a powerful tool for achieving overall wellness and balance. Give it a try, and it may change your life. Thanks for watching. Learn more at spiritualserenade89.com. Click the link in the description below.